Hi there, welcome to our channel. The last iteration of Xiaomi branded fitness tracker, the Mi Band 5 is a decent upgrade over the 4th generation band, and it went live back in June. Xiaomi has a pretty regular release cycle, that is, once a year around May or June, so expect the new Mi Band 6 to drop in about 6 months' time. Also, back in October 2020, Huami and Xiaomi have announced a 3-year extension of their cooperation. So it's safe to say that Huami will continue to create Xiaomi's incredibly popular Mi Band series, that includes the upcoming Mi Band 6, 7 and 8. So what can we expect from the upcoming Mi Band 6? Well, here is what we think will happen. Over the years, Xiaomi has increased the display size from Mi Band 2's 0.42-inch display to 1.1-inch panel on Mi Band 5. A bigger display is always good as long as it doesn't increase the size of the wearable too much. And until now, Xiaomi has been successful in doing so, but there are limitations to how big the display can become by shrinking the bezel. So either Xiaomi could maintain the design with slight increase in display size, or change the entire design like Honor Band 6, which looks more like a smartwatch with a whopping 1.47-inch panel. By the way, which design do you like? Comment down below. If we dive into the specs, last year in Mi Band 5 there were some features missing. Lots of rumors were flying around that we would see an SpO2 sensor and Alexa support. Unfortunately, this did not happen, so it's possible that we might get to see these features finally on the Mi Band 6. As far as GPS is concerned, we don't think it's possible as it will double the price of Mi Band. It would add up to $30 to $40 to the selling price, so you will need to make do with connected GPS instead. Another major selling point of any wearable is the battery life. Currently on Band 5, the battery life is up to 20 days and 14 days for NFC variant. It would be better if they could increase the life to 30 days, so that you could charge it once and get through a month without worry. We can expect upgrades in sport profiles and sensors as well. Maybe a new sensor like temperature sensor would make an appearance since more and more wearables are adding this. But it remains to be seen if it's feasible to add additional sensor. We don't want the price to cross $40 or 3,000 rupees. What are your thoughts about the Mi Band 6? What new features do you think will be coming to this band? Do let us know via comments. About price and release, I have already told you when it might get launched, that is in next 6 months, probably in June. As for price, $40 sounds right. So that's it for today, hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.